and use my favorite gel. Oh, it's still got the hair hanging out. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lakneesha, and I'm back with another video. First off, how is everyone doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm doing a hair video for all of you guys who love my hair videos. I'm doing a hair video. My hair is super dry because of like everything is just drying my hair out. So I just have it in a little bun. So where'd my hair out, girl? Alright. I had it in a bun, but I'm gonna twist it. I'm gonna put some oil. I need to get my ends trimmed, but hopefully this will help me moisturize my hair because mommy needs a new hairstyle because this is not working out. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm using that oil. I'm gonna use this oil, and it says anti-breakage, so we should be fine. You know the drill. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post up a new video. Alright guys, let's get started.
Don't listen to the hollow words. Don't fall into their hands. Don't follow any other path but your own. Don't need to live up to their demands. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well, like you're doing well. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Don't be afraid. Be strong. You're not alone. Take a deep breath and realize. Trust in yourself. I promise you'll find hope. Oh, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well. You're doing well, yeah. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them, baby. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there.
Alright guys, looks like I'm finished. You could wear it like this, but I'm a bangs kind of girl, so I'll probably put them to the side like this. But yeah guys, this is a good little protective hairstyle. Gets my hair so moisture too. Oh, it feels so good. Woo! It's very moisture. This is good moisture hairstyle, and it's good for working out. Just put a little head tie on, work out like crazy, and if it gets crazy, you could retouch it with a little bit of oil and some gel. It's a good little protective hairstyle. Oh, I love it. You guys don't even know how dry my hair was. But yeah, use this method and you're all good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Honestly, I can't wait to just take a shower. Don't forget to hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.